In this video, we're going to look at two-way tables. "140 UK people have each visited one of France, Germany, or Spain last year. The two-way table shows this information. Complete the two-way table." Okay, so I've got some information here. Some of it's missing, and you'll have to complete. Okay, so how this works is I've got my totals, and you use these totals to get some missing information. So if I know the total amount of people is 140, and this is 79, I'm just going to use a calculator for this, but sometimes this would be non-calc. And if I go 140, take away 79, I'm left with 61. So that must total 140. These two total 74. So 74 subtract 27 is 47. 12 add 15 is 27. And these also total, so female, these will total. So if I take 61, and if I take off 27 and 15, I'm left with 19, and then that would be 39. I'm just going to do a check on this total. So it's a good idea just to check things add up. So that equals 140. And I know this equals 140, so I'm quite happy that that's correct. One person is chosen at random. What is the probability that the person was female and visited Spain? So Spain and female, it's 27. Its probability, so I write that as a fraction, out of the total is 140. Joe asked the 160 students in year 11 to choose their favorite subjects for maths, English, and science. 31 females said maths, 60 students said science, and there's lots more information. Okay, how many females said science? So sometimes you're not given the table and you have to create that table yourself. So that's quite hard to do. And this question, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in as much as I can from this information. Joe asked 160 students. Straight away, I can put that in. 31 females said maths. Females, maths, 31. 60 students said science, so that's total. So 60 students said science. Of the 77 males, you're telling me the 77 males, 28 said English, and 59 students said English. So 59 students said English. Okay, so how many females said science? Female science, I'm looking for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in the rest of these. So again, I'm going to use this calculation. So 77 add something is 160. So 160 take away 77 gives me my females. There are 83 females. Okay, here's one I can fill out. 59 take away 28. 31. So this is 62. 83 take away 62. It's 21. This will need 39. And if we go across here, 77. Total males, take away the science, take away the English, leave me with 10 like in maths, and then that'll be 41. Just going to add up this total to make sure it's correct. And I'm happy with that. How many females said science? 21. So that's not asking for probability, it's just saying how many. What is the probability of choosing a male that said maths? A male that said maths is 10 out of the total 160. Okay, here's a question to have a go at. Press pause and the answers will follow in 1 moment. There are your answers.